Hello friends, it's Alicia Manning, your kitchen solutions specialist, and today we are chatting about fresh and cool containers. Now, let me tell you right off the bat, we only get the pleasure of seeing these a couple times a year, and I absolutely love them. Fresh and Cool has so many uses. They are absolutely perfect for all of your meal prepping needs. They are fantastic for storing leftovers, and they are also great for taking snacks on the go. I love that they're see-through so that you know exactly what's in them. You don't have to open them up to see the contents. You can see it right through the see-through container. Fresh and Cool containers are easy to pack for camping. They're great to take on picnics. They're great if you just want to throw a couple of things in your bag so that you can have some snacks handy in the car. They are great for all of those. And on top of that, y'all, they even work in the freezer. They even work in the freezer. They fit snugly on the inside door of most refrigerators. That way you don't have to search for them. You have easy access to them. I love that they also nest together for simple storage. All you have to do is take off your seals and then you can stack them together just like this. Super, super simple to store. Another great thing about our Fresh and Cool containers is if you look at the teardrop design, that makes them easy to pour from. So if you have foods in here that are in a liquid, or if you have sauces in here, or if you have, if you've stored anything that has a liquid, the teardrop design makes them easy to pour from. Let me just tell you that our Fresh and Cool containers, they are refrigerator organization favorites. They have a circular ridge on the top that helps them to stack securely so that you can actually stack them in your fridge on top of each other. The other cool thing, and you'll see that you can even use the colors to color code and organize your meal prepping. Let's say, for instance, you want to prep all of your meats and sides for your meals in advance. So this could be Monday, this could be Tuesday, this could be Wednesday. So those of you who like to color coordinate, this is absolutely the set for you. And just remember, we only get to see them a couple times a year, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Our Fresh and Cool containers have so many uses. Like I said before, they are absolutely perfect for your meal prepping needs, great for storing your leftovers, great for taking snacks on the go. So meal prep and snack prep has never been easier with our Fresh and Cool containers, and I want you to think about it. You really need these in your life. They are the solution to many of the struggles that you are having in the kitchen. Bye for now.